Hi, in this video, you will learn how to use the Vehicle Manager feature in the customer menu of Norakle ERP software. You also learn how to add new vehicles, how to upload vehicle badge upload, and how to view the list of vehicles you have created already. So the first thing is to click on the customer menu here and place your cursor on the Vehicle Manager. Then right beside it is the vehicle entry. You click on it. Then click on add vehicle. So here on this interface, you are to enter all the information required and click on submit. So once you're done with that and you want to upload the vehicle badge upload, you are going to click on badge upload. This is a badge upload. Click on badge upload. So ensure to enter the right information here. So once you're done putting all of the right information, you're going to browse the CSV file import. You're going to browse it. Then when you browse it and find what you're looking for, then you're going to click on upload items. So that's how to upload the badge, vehicle badge upload here. Now, to view these same vehicles that you've entered, the list of vehicles on your system, you're going to click on the view vehicles. Right now, so this is the one I created initially. So this is the vehicles, the list of the number one list of vehicle already. So this is how you can add your vehicle on the system in a vehicle entry, how you can upload the batch upload and then view the list of vehicles on the system. Thank you for watching.